After the invigorating rhythms of rumba, it only made sense to tone things down a bit with danzon. Mrs. Silvina Fabars explained the fundamentals of this elegant and cultured dance. Its African components include the so-called contratiempo cubano, which means transferring the weight on the second, third, and fourth beat of the bar, as well as flowing hip movements and smooth ball-flat foot articulation. These are joined by a western hold which is graceful yet sensual like an embrace. Danzon is powerful on the inside and composed on the outside. It can be considered as the great-grandfather of the international-style competitive rumba. Even for an experienced teacher like Silvina, working with such malleable material as our dancers was an exhilarating experience.
Pero se nota que ellos saben bailar y dominan el cuerpo. Algo muy importante para el profesor. Que que cuando uno le imparte la clase, sepa moverse, sepa ya tener lo que hay que corregir y enseñar las bases de los pasos de las cosas nuevas. Pero son muy capaces. Muy capaces, me he sentido muy satisfecha con trabajar con este curso porque me sentí realizada.